fans, and welcome back to the Rusty Boxcar channel. Today is Thursday, January 20th. Got a nice video here for you today. Two trains, a little bit of variety for you. First up is going to be an empty grainer going from Ranger, Georgia up to Evansville, Indiana. Locomotives 3197 and 3086 on this one. And this was another of the empty grain trains headed north that I just can't figure out what the symbols are. I believe it was likely G438, which is why I'm thinking it's going from Ranger, Georgia up to Evansville, Indiana. They kept calling out Q438, which makes no sense. It wouldn't have been a Q train. I couldn't find any information around a G448. So kind of making a guess on the G438, but again, with them going through the process right now of changing the empties over to the same G letter code that the loaded grains have, it's made things pretty confusing. Second up is Q203. Caught this one on New Year's Eve at the cemetery. It is a southbound empty auto rack train from what we could see. Going from Osborne Yard in Louisville, Kentucky down to Baldwin, Florida. It's an extremely short train. Had two locomotives on it, 7260 up front and 3182 as a rear DPU. That 7260 is one of the CM44AC rebuilds, so pretty nice to see that. Again, an extremely short one and definitely seemed empty from what we could tell. So kind of a strange move there, or so it seemed. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, give us a thumbs up down below. Hit that like button. Also, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already so that you can be notified when new videos are coming out. And also check out the links below for the membership features. A little more information about that. Hope you guys enjoy it. We will see you back tomorrow night for our weekly Friday premiere video. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.